Mezcal is a traditional Mexican alcoholic beverage made from the agave plant. It is renowned for its unique smoky flavor and has gained popularity worldwide in recent years. Mezcal farming involves the cultivation and harvest of specific agave varieties, followed by the artisanal production of mezcal through a meticulous process. Establishing a mezcal farm requires careful planning, knowledge of agave cultivation, and expertise in mezcal production techniques. This stepwise guide will provide a comprehensive overview of the essential steps involved in successfully starting and operating a mezcal farm. Welcome to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now and don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications on new videos. Land selection and agave variety. Choose land with well-drained soil and sufficient sunlight, as agave plants thrive in warm and arid conditions. Select the agave variety suitable for mezcal production, such as Espadin, Tobala, Tabazich, or Madriquewish, based on your region's climate and soil conditions. Agave propagation and planting. Obtain agave pups or baby agave plants from a reputable source or propagate them from mature agave plants. Prepare the planting area by removing weeds, rocks, and debris. Dig individual planting holes with adequate spacing, typically 1.5 to 2 meters apart, depending on the agave variety. Gently place the agave pups or plants in the holes, ensuring the roots are well covered with soil. Water the newly planted agave to establish root growth, but avoid overwatering to prevent rotting. Irrigation and maintenance. Provide regular irrigation to the agave plants, especially during dry periods. However, avoid excessive watering that can lead to waterlogged soil and root rot. Control weed growth around the agave plants by manual weeding or mulching. Monitor for pests and diseases, and apply appropriate measures for control, if necessary. Consider providing shade or windbreaks for young agave plants to protect them from extreme weather conditions. Agave plant care and maturation. Prune or remove any damaged or dead leaves as the agave plants grow. Maintain a well-ventilated environment to prevent fungal infections. Allow the agave plants to mature, which typically takes 6 to 12 years, depending on the variety and growing conditions. Harvesting. Identify mature agave plants by their size, which may vary based on the variety, typically ranging from 5 to 8 feet tall. Harvest the agave plants by cutting the leaves close to the core, known as the pinna or cabeza. Remove any remaining leafy material to expose the pinna for processing. By following these steps, you can successfully establish and manage a mezcal farm, focusing on agave cultivation, maintenance, and harvesting. Remember to consider the specific requirements of the agave variety you choose and adapt your farming practices accordingly. Hope you liked this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.